Hi LBB, welcome to Peerzadas. Please come. I come from a Punjabi household, was born in Bathinda, brought up in Delhi, New York, and Canada. That's where the acting bug bit me and my little brother, Gurfateh. At the same time, when we decided to come to Bombay and pursue our dream of acting. And it's been 11 years now here in Bombay. We live with our mum, our two dogs, Berlin and Sydney. We have really dreamt about making a home like this for years. So when we bought this home, there was a certain picture. So every little corner that you're going to see in this house has been well thought. So when we bought this home and we were going to start doing the interiors, I was really researching about every little brand, everything that you see here. So I came across this brand, Bonito. My manager contacted Bonito, and then I was invited to experience their experience center. And then I was blown away. Like the moment I went for a meeting to the experience center, I met the whole team and they were so welcoming, so warm. And then I saw, their sample flats, their sample kitchen and all of that. And kitchen is, I think, they are the best in especially making a kitchen. So we just knew that this is it. This is the brand that we have to go ahead with. So let me show you the favorite part of the house, which is the kitchen designed by Bonito. Kitchen means everything to us, especially being a Punjabi household. We love eating and we love feeding people. My mom, she loves cooking. So hence the kitchen has been designed as per her needs, how she wanted this place to be. You can see we have utilized every corner of the kitchen because obviously in apartments the spaces are so compact, so you really need to utilize the place better and in the best way possible, and Bonito helped us do that. All the needs have been taken care of in our kitchen, and I love the color combination of the kitchen. We wanted by now we love the color green. You'll see a lot of different shades of green in our house, so this is yet another green which we wanted to incorporate in our kitchen. I love the way they have used these glass, windows. I wanted fluted glass. That it shows that okay, something is inside, but it doesn't really give a clear picture until you open it. And my another favorite part, which is my little contribution in this kitchen, are these fridge magnets that you see. This is every country that we have traveled. One of my favorite trips that I can think about and I see is from Finland, which was family holiday that my mom, my brother and myself, we did last year for Northern Lights. It was beautiful. That's the first time we, all three of us, we saw Northern Lights from our room, from the igloo room. It was magical. So yeah, every time I see this fridge magnet, it just brings back very fond memories. My another favorite, and which is also happens to be everyone's favorite whoever comes to our house, is my mom's room. Initially, the plan was, since me, my brother and my mom, we have designed this whole house together. So the plan was to also have our elements, mine and my brother's element, in this room as well, just like the rest of the house. But no, my mother was very, very particular about the kind of room she wanted. She had this particular kind of green that you see, the sage English green on the walls. This is my mom's space, so she was just very particular about even the wardrobe that you see. She wanted cane wardrobes. So my mom's room and the kitchen, they are the heart of the whole house. Of course, just like how our mom is. And Bonito made it really beautiful, and it's come out so well. Every time I look at these two spaces and the amount of hard work the team has put in bringing this to life has just been surreal. It's been an amazing experience. So I really want to thank Bonito. So thank you for coming along. Thank you for listening to my story and visiting my house. So please do keep watching LBB and follow them to watch more such home videos.